Will it like zoom in slowly? Whoa! Yo, come on. Come on. Ah. Yo. I think this is the perfect lens. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have just made the biggest purchase ever since I've got this camera 5 years ago. Shall we get into it? Let's do it. It's in this bag right here. Drugs, you may ask? No, something better. A Sony lens. Not just any Sony lens. A 16-35 PZ Sony lens. Now I know what you're thinking. F4, isn't that not enough? Well, to that I may say, I think you're an amateur. Because I think f4 on a full frame camera is plenty. Anyway, so I needed a wide angle lens with autofocus because now I'm finally on a camera that has autofocus, and I've been using this Tokina 11-16, which is a APS-C sensor lens. So I always had to manual focus this on my Canon cameras, and on the Sony it just doesn't work that well, even with the Metabones adapter. Just like whenever I zoom or focus, it just kind of like flickers the image. So I really needed to replace this, and I didn't want to get the Sony 16-35 2.8 because that thing is just way too big. It's not that I can't afford it, it's just that it's too big, okay? And then I figured this is the next best thing, and the best thing about this is that it's a power zoom lens, okay? Power zoom on a mirrorless camera, power zoom on photo type camera, okay? Yo, we're going back to the 2000s here. I just picked this up from Downtown Camera. Shoutouts to Graham who works there. Graham, big shoutouts to you, man. You're awesome. Thanks for letting me give you my money for this, I guess. Here we go. Let's just look at the features before I open this up. Yeah, pause it and read that. I haven't even read this yet. You guys want to see how much I paid for this lens? There we go. All right. Anyways, it's been long overdue that I get a wide angle lens with autofocus. So I'm excited, man. This is a big moment for me. I've been kind of vlogging for like 10 years and I was always manual focusing on my wide lens, this thing. Although I can't lie, I do love this thing, but it was time for a change. So here we go. And let's open it up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna let you guys be the first to see what this lens looks like. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, it comes in like a leather. Wow. Look at this. This is something my boy Igor does not know about. Buying things brand new, okay? He's always on that marketplace tip. Oh my goodness. Yo, Igor. Igor will never know what that smells like. Anyways, look at this. Wow. Oh. Look at all that bubble wrap that we got in there. Oh my goodness, this is so light. I see there's like a lens hood in there. Hold on, you know, before we get into the lens, let's see what we got in here. We have a lens hood, and that's probably it. Yeah, that's a cool little pouch that we have though. And just for reference, right now I'm shooting on the 28-70 kit lens, and this is at 28, so I cannot go wider than this, and I wanted to have like a wide angle lens so I could film here and just do like autofocus stuff where it focuses on, you know, my watch that's broken and back to my face. So all right, here we go guys. Ta-da. Oh my goodness. Wow. You're probably not impressed, but I am, okay? So let's compare this to my previous wide angle lens, the Tokina. Hold on, let me take the filter off of it. So we got an even comparison here. So this is the previous Tokina, and this is what it's getting replaced with. Size comparison, almost the same, but the Sony is obviously smaller. The Sony is much lighter, and I also, with the Tokina, I have to use the meta bones with it, which I have right here. So when I have the meta bones on it and then I put it on the camera, I mean, that makes it that much bigger. And then here's the Sony. So this is kind of the size comparison that I'm dealing with right here. And this is, man, this is so much weight compared to this. This literally feels like a kit lens. And the best part about this lens is that it has the zoom rocker here. So we have automatic zooming in and zooming out. Man, I'm excited for this. So, oh, and we have the aperture ring. A little aperture ring right there. Ooh. All right, let's do some magic right now. I'm gonna put this lens on this camera right here, and let's see the difference right now. Bang, look at that. Look how much more you can see here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we might be back to vlogging. Whoa. Yo, okay. This is crazy. It's been so long since I've seen my room on a lens like this. Okay, let's see how the zoom works. Ready? Ooh. 35 millimeters. Zoom out. I'm not even turning the lens. I'm just like pressing the button down. Whoa, that's automatic right there. And let's see if there's speeds to it. If I go like slowly, will it like zoom in slowly? Whoa. Yo, come on. Come on. Ah. Yo. I think this is the perfect lens. 35, 16. Tokina, baby. I think you have been replaced. Let's see how the focus works, okay? So, because it's probably focusing on me, and then I show a product up to the lens. Bang. Perfect. See, bring it back. Does it come back to me? Probably. Oh yeah, that's a Sony lens, although that's kind of slow. Might be the A7 III that's doing that, although I don't know. Maybe I just can't see too well, but... Whew. An expensive purchase, but maybe I'll be back to vlogging right now. Am I getting in focus there? Is it grabbing me? Like my broken Nixon watch? I just wear it because it makes me look better. Huh. Man, I can't wait to play around with this thing. And I heard that this lens is like one of the sharpest lenses that Sony makes, so... Man, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I almost feel like 16 is too wide in my room. And that is very unlike me, so... Alright. Alright, I'm excited. Okay, I'm just gonna test out like how fast it autofocuses, because I feel like it might not be as fast as I thought it would be. But I wonder if that's just because it's the A7 III that we're recording on, whereas the new cameras, they have some newer tech in it that makes it go a little bit faster. But, I mean, I don't think you could really complain with that. And also F4, come on, why would I want it to be more blurry than this? Come on, guys. I ain't a noob here, yo. I like to have everything in focus. Also, my boy Igor just responded. I sent him a photo of the box. Look what this guy said. He's like, yo, finally, you gonna vlog now? Well, Igor, joke's on you. We're vlogging, and you're in the vlog, okay? Man. All right, hype. I'm hyped, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more footage filmed on this lens.